Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on a Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, February the 15th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, and three puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars, the killer Sudoku, and the binary puzzle. Yes, it's time for the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number. This will be number 4130. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, and there one. Blah, blah, blah. We have between two ones comes an O, between two ones comes an O, between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one, double one, here an O, there an O. Between two ones comes an O, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1, double one, here no, there no, double O, here one, there one. Then, yeah. Come on. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Okay. Yeah, thinking. Do I need to compare now? So soon? Okay. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Let me see. 2. Here we have 3. Interesting. Okay. Let me scan. One, double 1 here. Overlook this double 1. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. No, I think I need to compare now. Oh, no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Wow. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 5 minutes. Wow, without comparing, but overlooked. Oh, this double one, yes. Anyway, I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. Tectonic with 4 stars and a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.